Hi Sam, see yours again.
Maybe, yeah, there is a shrimp, yeah. Maybe we can see the babies when they come out.
Because it always might live there.
It's so close to our boat. Awesome. That is so
that the
cool.
pregnant one? Yeah. I think she lives here now, Mum.
Yeah, I think she's sleeping
male.
there. That is a male, yes. The male is having the baby. Should I try to put that?
Mum, can't we just get it to swim?
Oh, it looks so calm there. You want to take it out and... Oh, look, there's a big shrimp. No. Oh, I hope it's not... Can you pull it up a bit more? I hope it's not dying. It looks so sleepy.
It's not. It's not dying, so no.
I think he's just sleepy, eh?
If it did, I'd throw it to